Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dublin House. And I thought I'd give you a fantastic Easter cake, really simple to make. So it's our famous chocolate biscuit cake, and we're going to add in some Easter eggs through it and garnish it up on top. It's going to be sexy, so it's going to be cool. Well, here we have a combination of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Our butter in there, and then we've got some beautiful honey into it. Loads of people talk to me about this chocolate biscuit cake. It's a great recipe. So get a bit of parchment paper, make sure it's the width of your tin. Put it into a square, put it into a triangle like that, fold it in half like that again, so smaller triangle, and then basically you just want to keep folding it to a point on the top, and like so. Put the point into the center of your tin, and then just tear the end off like so, and you get a perfect circle. So put that in the bottom. So that is nearly ready. And take it off the heat actually.
Can you melt the chocolate in microwave, or do you prefer to melt it over simmering water?
I think simmering water is better because you're keeping an eye on it the whole time. The problem is if you melt the chocolate in the microwave, the chocolate seems to burn around the edges. So you just need to be really careful. So zap it, take it out, stir it, zap it, take it out, stir it. But like when it's over the bain-marie water, it won't burn, and your eyes are always on it, so it's not going to affect. Look at that lovely shine on that. Are you getting that, Julian?
Yeah.
Just beautiful. Okay, to that, you get your digestive biscuits in your hand. And there you go. Some marshmallows. And some baby eggs. And then just mix that up.
Yeah, lots of people think that sounds delicious. What time till they come for lunch?
Exactly. Just make sure that everything is completely covered in the chocolate. And once that is happened, I want you to pour it into your cake tin. And then just push that out. Oh, it smells divine in here. Melted chocolate, you can't beat it. Beautiful. This is going to suit everybody. The kids are going to love it, adults are going to love it. That goes into the fridge then for at least 2 hours anyways, better overnight. You have one that we've demolded here, which is lovely. We just have a little bit of chocolate ganache. So the chocolate ganache is just melted dark chocolate, a little bit of cream, and a little bit of honey. The honey will give you the glaze. But I just want you to do a dollop like so.
And will you have the recipe for the chocolate ganache on the recipe?
The chocolate will be, or the recipe will be up on our website. Won't you, Julian?
Yeah. I'll make sure it's updated correctly.
A little bit of marshmallows. Just put a couple of daffodils on there too, just because they're bang in season. There you have a superb Easter chocolate biscuit cake.